Alright, so that was actually a good panel we had earlier. Kind of segment to what I'm going to be talking about growing the community. Obviously, not to get too in depth of what we were talking about, but we do a pretty good job of sponsoring events, doing local appreciation games and getting out there. I think it's really crucial for manufacturers like ourselves to really help out local distributors, dealers, fields, players, and magazines, because that's one way to kind of promote the brand, but also promote the sport itself. And leading to what I'm going to be talking about is our World Cup. I'm not sure if most of you guys know about it, but we've been doing this for the last 4 years. We do it about every 2 years. That's held in Taiwan. And what is it? It's pretty much, or who can participate, it's pretty much anybody as 18 years of age during the competition. You can participate. As of moving forward next year, we're actually going to have a women's division that will be able to participate in a different division to kind of promote more of women in airsoft and promote more of the sport. The World Cup, what it is, it's pretty much a gathering of taking the best airsofters using our MAT shooting competition and doing pretty much each country will have their regional competition in their respective country, and then whoever the leading team is from that country would be a representative of that country, similar to like a soccer World Cup or football. Us Americans say soccer, so I apologize. So essentially kind of like that elimination bracket. Where is it? It's held in Taipei, Taiwan. And along with the World Cup, we also have a small trade show as well. So you have other manufacturers there that are related to airsoft, air guns, and tactical gear. So mini SHOT Show, IWA, along with this. And how you sign up is by talking to your local fields that have a 5x5 shooting competition or a CQB arena in the country, and I'll have the information later on to kind of look up where you can see which countries have them and where you can go sign up. And so we started in 2015, our first annual. It was just 38 players, 12 countries participated, which bought the World Cup CQB shooting arena. And Taiwan took first place, of course, with the record lightning time of 1 minute and 18 seconds. And I would equate it to almost, running 100 meters, where like a split second is very significant. So having this world record was just crazy. I remember just talking to somebody, and then next thing you know, the buzzer, rings saying that they're done. I was like, what just happened? So definitely hats to them for getting that world record. And then we had another one last year. We nearly doubled the participants and countries. We had 60 players, 25 countries. Chile took this place with, I believe, Taiwan getting second place and Hong Kong getting third place. So we're looking excited to see, what 2019 will hold for other countries, and we're trying to. The reason I'm here is trying to promote this event to kind of even double this amount of players and countries for next year, and kind of make it a more worldwide event for everybody in the airsoft world. Because a lot of people, when I tell them about the World Cup, a lot of people don't take airsoft too seriously. They just think it's kind of like, oh, it's just for a game, maybe a joke. There's no way I can win $10,000, just play airsoft. So definitely this is a legitimate thing, and we're really excited to be a part of this and do this for the airsoft community. And now I'm going to be playing a little video of our 2017 World Cup. So as you can see, there was a lot of countries that participated last year, and we're really excited. What really I like about this competition is, despite the language barrier from anywhere you are, everybody comes together and the camaraderie is there. So that's one unique aspect about this competition, that, you know, just like when you play Airsoft, you meet friends, you have that long lifetime friendship with them. Same thing with this, you know, they go back, they kind of compete against, you know, enemies, because, you know, obviously they want to win $10,000, but at the end of the day, they all come together and have a great time, and, you know, that's all what it's all about. So moving forward, the 2019 CQB World Cup is going to be on June 8th through the 10th. It's a 3-day event, so we welcome you to come to Taipei. Make sure you definitely wear light clothes, because around June it's very hot and humid, so if you're not familiar with that, you know, you'll experience it firsthand. And that's information. You can go to our website and our Facebook group that we just, or page that I just launched recently, to get updates on locations, dates of different countries that will be hosting preliminary rounds and regionals, and also the finals. And that wraps up my presentation on the G&G World Cup shooting competition. Is there any questions? No? All right, thank you.